Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to link your BattleNet account and your Steam account. So the first thing you need to do is open up a browser. I'm going to choose Chrome for this example. And then you'll search for BattleNet and open up the BattleNet website. Once you've opened the BattleNet website, go to the top right and click on Account and click on the Login button. So enter your login information to log in. So after logging in to your BattleNet account, you'll go to the top right and click on your account, and you'll click on the option that says Account Settings. So in the Account Settings option, on the left side, you'll see an option that says Connections. Click on Connections. Once in the Connections page, scroll down until you see Steam. Once you see Steam, select the Connect button. This will redirect you to this page and will ask you to log in into your Steam account. Click on Continue. This will redirect you to Steam and ask you to log in. So log in with your account information. So after filling in your information, a confirmation code will be sent to your email. Fill in that code. So after filling in your code, it will redirect you to this page. This page will ask you if you want to sign into your Steam account. So you want to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. Finally, it will ask you to confirm the connection. Click on the Confirm button. And here we are. It has confirmed that we are connected, so we click on Continue. So if you go back to the BattleNet account page, and if you scroll down, you'll see that you're connected to your Steam account. So that is how you link BattleNet and Steam accounts. Is this as helpful? Please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.